1 week ago. It was Labor Day weekend. I painted the hood, and it's rained every day since. Dumped that rain gauge out several times. So plan B, I was going to sand it outside. So I got it in the new garage. And I carefully blocked it. And instead of blowing it, I vacuumed up all the dust. And it's not bad. I broke through the primer here, and it's just a little bit low there. I broke through right here. It's a little bit low right along the edge. You can see it right there. It's kind of dark. A little bit there. Just kind of being real careful. I think I was hitting it with 320, I believe, on a long block. So I broke through it a couple spots. But the lighting in here is not too good, so I'm just kind of doing the best I can. But it's looking pretty good. And Sue's working on her little dresser that's going to go in the potting shed. And that's pretty much done except for this dresser. So the plan is I'm going to do a little bit more work on it around the edges. And then I'm going to reshoot the areas that I broke through and the couple low spots. My goal is not to use any type of filler or body putty if I can help it. That's the lowest spot I got. So if anything, I would use a real light skim right there. Other than that, the hood, it looks really good. So that's the update. And whole one bit here has been covered up. And it's wanting to know when I'm going to take it for a ride. We'll probably be getting it out in a couple of weeks. And we're going to go for a couple fall drives. So that's it, folks. Part 2 of working on the hood.